Welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am JP Dimri, retired professor of Russian from the Center of Russian Studies, English and Foreign Languages, University, Hyderabad. Indian Grammatical Linguistics, Pan Linguistics. Now we continue with the verb morphology. Here in this module we should discuss the finite verb derivation. In previous module, we have discussed sutras which are common for the derivation of the finite verb form. Rules such as addition of law to a verbal rule, replacement of law by thing suffixes, determining the person and number. In this unit, we shall describe the derivation of the finite verb forms in 10 lakaras. We shall first deal with the sarvadhatuka lakaras, followed by the ardhatuka lakaras. For illustrations, we take the dhatu bhu to be. Now, lat lakara. The lat is used to express the present time. The Sutra Vartamane Lat states that when the action refers to present time, lat lakara is used after a verbal root. Lat form of the dhatu bhu. Third person singular number patha number bhu plus lat, bhu plus tip, bhu plus sab plus tip. Vikarana sab is added by kartari sab 3168. The sutra states that the vikarana sab comes after a verbal root before a sarvadhatuka to denote the agent. Now bhu plus o plus ti, bho plus o plus ti, u of bhu is changed to o by sardhatuka ardhatuka yoho 7384. This sutra states that a substitute guna vowel replaces the final of a verbal root before sardhatuka and ardhatuka suffixes. Bhava plus o plus ti. O is replaced by ava by H-O-A-Y-A vaha. We get the third person singular form bhavati, he, she, it becomes. Third dual bhu plus lat, bhu plus tas. So bhu plus sab plus tas, bhu plus o plus tas, bho plus o plus tas. Bhava plus o plus tas, bhavatas, bhavataru. Ru is ru in place of tas by sasajuso ru. Bhavatar, bhavata. Ra is replaced by visarga by kharavasanayor visarjaniya 8315. We get the third person dual form bhavata, they too become. Third person plural formation. Bhu plus lat, bhu plus ji, bhu plus anti. Ant in place of jha of ji by jontaha. Now bhu plus anti, bhu plus shab plus anti, bhu plus o plus anti, bho plus o plus anti, bhavanti. O plus o goes to o by ato gune 6197. We get the third person plural form bhavanti. Second person singular number bhu plus lat, bhu plus sab, bhu plus sab plus sip, bhu plus o plus c, bho plus o plus c, bha plus o plus c, bhavasi, you two become. Second dual bhu plus lat, bhu plus thas, bhu plus sab plus thas, bhu plus o plus thas, bho plus o plus thas, bha plus o plus thas. Sa is changed to ru by 836. Bhavatar. Ra changed to visarga by 8315. We get the form bhavata, you to become. Second plural bhu plus lat, bhu plus tha, bhu plus sab plus tha, bhu plus o plus tha, bho plus o plus tha, bho plus o plus tha. Sa is changed to ru by A366. Bhavatar, we get the form bhavata, you plural become. First person singular, bhu plus lat, bhu plus mip, bhu plus sap plus mip, bhu plus o plus mip, bho plus o plus mip, bha plus o plus me. Lengthening of o by ato dirgho yai 73101. We get bhavami, I become. First dual, bhu plus lat, bhu plus vas, bhu plus sap plus vas, bhu plus o plus vas, bho plus o plus vas, bhava plus o plus vas. Lengthening of o by ato dirgho yai 73101. Saw is changed to ru by 8366. Bhavatar, raw changed to visarga by 8315. We get the form bhavava, we too become. First person plural, bhu plus lat, bhu plus mas, bhu plus sap plus mas, bhu plus o plus mas, bho plus o plus mas, bhava plus o plus mas. Lengthening of o by ato dirgho yai 73101. Bhavamas, saw is changed to ru by 8366. Bhavamar, raw changed to visarga by 8315. We get the form bhavama, we too become. We get the following forms of the verb bhu in lat lakara. Third person, saw, sa, bhavati, bhavata, bhavanti. Second person, bhavasi, bhavatha, bhavatha. First person, bhavami, bhavava, bhavamaha. Third person, late, इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. Third person, late, subjunctive. Late lakara is used only in Vedic language. The meaning of the late is the same as that of ling. That is command, request or wish. Lingarthe late 347. The sutra states that late is used after a verbal root in Vedic language in the sense of ling, optative or potential mood. In the Vedic language, late also used after verbal roots to denote a mutual accord, upasamvada, or apprehension, asanka, upsampada. Okay. For example, upasampada, ahameva pasunam ishai, I shall control the cattle. Asanka, for example, छोड़ दो. Okay, यहाँ पर late. So we'll say late also used after verbal roots to denote a mutual accord, upsamvada or apprehension, asanka, upsamvada, asankayuscha. 3, 4, 8. Derivation of late forms of the root vu. Third person singular, bhu plus late, bhu plus tip, bhu plus sap plus tip, bhu plus o ti, bho plus o ti, bhava plus o plus ti, bhava plus o plus art plus ti. Augment art is inserted by leto dato 3499. Leto dato. The sutra states that at or art inserted to a substitute of later. Bhava plus o plus a plus ti. Dirgha of o plus a by akassavarne dirgha 61101. Bhavati. E of ti is optionally deleted by itascha lopah parasmay padeshu 3497. We get the form bhavat, may he, she, it become. Third dual, bhu plus late, bhu plus tas, bhu plus sap plus tas, bhu plus o plus tas, bho plus o plus tas, bha plus o plus tas, bha plus o plus art plus tas, bha plus o plus a plus tas, bhavatas, bhavataru, bhavatar, bhavata. May they too become. Third dual, bhu plus late, bhu plus g, bhu plus sap plus g, bhu plus o plus g, bho plus o plus g, bhava plus o plus g, bhav plus o plus anti, bhav plus o plus art plus anti, bhav plus o plus a plus anti, bhavanti. Deletion of e by 347, bhavant. Deletion of ta by samyogantasya lopa 8 to 23. We get the form bhavan. May they become. Second singular, bhu plus late, bhu plus ship, bhu plus sap plus ship, bhu plus o plus ship, bho plus o plus ship, bha plus o plus ship, bha plus o plus ship, bha plus o plus art plus c, bha plus o plus a plus c, bhavasi, bhavas, bhavaru, bhavar, bhavava. May you become. Second dual, bhu plus late, bhu plus thus, bhu plus sub plus thus, bhu plus o plus thus, bho plus o plus thus, bhava plus o plus thus, bhava plus o plus thus, bhava plus o plus art plus thus, bhava plus o plus a plus thus, bhavathas, bhavathas, bhavatharu, bhavathara, bhavathasru, bhavatah. May you too become. Second plural, bhu plus late, bhu plus thaw plus thaw, bhu plus sub plus thaw, bhu plus o plus thaw, bho plus o plus thaw, bha plus o plus thaw, bha plus o plus thaw, bha plus o plus art plus thaw, bha plus o plus a plus thaw, bhavatha. May you plural become. First singular, bhu plus late, bhu plus mip, bhu plus sub plus mip, bhu plus o plus mip, bho plus o plus mip, bha plus o plus mip, bhava plus o plus mip, bhava plus o plus r plus me, bhava o plus a plus me, bhavami. I become. Dual, bhu plus late, bhu plus vas, bhu plus sap plus vas, bhu plus o plus vas, bho plus o plus vas, bha plus o plus vas, bha plus o plus vas, bha plus o plus art, bha plus o plus a plus vas, bhavavas, bhavavar, bhavavaru, bhavavar, bhavavah. May we too become. First plural, bhu plus late, bhu plus mas, bhu plus sap plus mas, bhu plus o plus mas, bho plus o plus mas, bha plus o plus mas, bha plus o plus mas, bha plus o plus art, bha art plus mas, bhava plus o plus a plus mas, bhavamas, bhavamaru, bhavavar, bhavama. May we become. The Sutra Lot Cha states that the Lot Lakara is used after a verbal to denote a command, summons, invitation, respectful command, deliberation, and request. Derivation of the Lot Lakara forms of bhu. Third singular, bhu plus lot, bhu plus tip plus bhu plus tip, bhu plus sub plus tip, bhu plus o plus thi, bho plus o plus thi, bhav plus o plus thi, bhavatu e of thi is replaced by u by a ru 3486. The sutra states that the e of the thi is replaced by u. We get the form bhavatu, he, she, it must become. Lot third singular has a variant form bhavatar when it has the benedictive sense by tuyas tatango shishyanyatarasyam. 7135. The sutra states when lot is used in the benedictive sense in the third singular and second singular, tatang is the substitute optionally. Third dual, bhu plus lot, bhu plus thus, bhu plus sub plus thus, bhu plus o plus thus, bho plus o plus thus, bha plus o plus thus, bhavatas, bhavatam. Tam is the substitute in place of thus by tas thas samipan tantam tas thas samipan tantam tama 34101. The sutra states that tam, tam, and to and are respectively replace suffixes thus, thus, tho, and mid of parasmaya suffixes having a marker known as it. In other words, third dual thus is replaced by tam, Second dual thus is replaced by thumb. Second plural thaw is replaced by thaw. And first singular nip is replaced by Sutra Lotu Langvat 3485 states that whatever substitutions are common to all Git lakaras take place in case of lot also. So by the force of Sutra 3485, the Sutra 34101 applies in lot lakara also. Third plural, bhu plus lo, bhu plus g, bhu plus shab plus g, bhu plus o plus g, bho plus o plus g, bha plus o plus g, bha plus o plus anti, bha plus o plus antu. E of anti is replaced by 3486. We get the form bhavantu, they must become or may they become. Second singular, bhu plus lo, bhu plus sip, bhu plus shap plus sip, bhu plus o plus sip, bhu plus o plus sip, bhava plus o plus c, bhava hi. C of sip is replaced by Sergya picture 348. The sutra states that the C of lot is replaced by hi, bhava hi, bhava hi. Bhava deletion of he by ato he ha 64105. The sutra states that after a stem ending in a short or he is deleted. We get the form bhava. May you become. Also we get another form bhavatat by applying 3175. Second dual, bhu plus lo, bhu plus thus, bhu plus bhu plus thus plus sap, bhu plus thus, bhu plus sap plus thus, bhu plus o plus thus, bho plus o plus thus, bhava plus o plus thus, bhavatam. Thus is replaced by tam by 34101. See, so we get the form bhavatam, may you to become. Second plural, bhu plus lo, bhu plus tha, bhu plus sap plus tha, bhu plus o plus tha, bho plus o plus tha, bhava plus o plus tha, bhavata. Tha is replaced by tha by 34101. We get the form bhavata, may you all become. First singular, bhu plus lo, bhu plus mip, bhu plus sap plus mip, bhu plus o plus me, bho plus o plus me, bhava plus o plus me, bhava plus art plus me. Augment art is added by Aduttamashya picture 3492. The sutra states that first person suffix of lot takes the augment art and the suffix will be a po-it. Bhava plus a plus me. Me of me is replaced by me 3489. The sutra states that the me of nip is replaced by ni. We get the form bhavani, may I become. Bhavani and bhavani. First dual, bhu plus lot, bhu plus vas, bhu plus sap plus vas, bhu plus o plus vas, bho plus o plus vas, bhava plus o plus vas, bhava plus r plus vas, bhava vas, bhava va. So of vas is deleted by lifting vitaha. 3499. The sutra states that the so of first person substitute of kin lakara is deleted. We get the form bhava va, may we too become. First plural bhu, bhu plus lot, bhu plus mas, bhu plus sap plus mas, bhu plus o plus mas, bho plus o plus mas, bhava plus o plus mas, bhava plus o plus r, bhava plus o plus r plus mas, bhava plus o plus r plus mas, bhava mas, bhava ma. Deletion of so of mas by 3499. We get the form bhava ma, may we become. Lang lakara, imperfect. The sutra Anantatane Lang 3 to 11 defines the use of lang. The sutra states that lang is used when the action refers to the general past tense, excluding the current day. Derivation of the lang forms of bhu. Third singular, bhu plus lang. At plus bhu plus lang. Augment at is added by lung, lung, ring, shadudattah, 6471. The sutra states that the augment at is added to root before the lung, lung and ring. O plus bhu plus lung, O plus bhu plus tip, O plus bhu plus sap plus tip, O plus bhu plus O plus tip, O plus bho plus O plus T, O plus bhav plus O plus T, E of T is deleted by itasha 3400. The sutra states that the E of Parasmara suffix of a git lakara is deleted. We get the form abhavat, he, she, it became. Third dual, bhu plus lung, at plus bhu plus lung, O plus bhu plus tas, O plus bho plus O plus tas, O plus bhava plus O plus tas, abhava plus tam. Tam is the substitute in place of tas by 34101. We get the form abhavatam, they two became. Third plural, bhu plus lung, at plus bhu plus lung, O plus bhu plus G, abho plus sap plus G, O plus bhava plus G, abha plus anta plus E, E of anti, abha plus anti, abha plus ant plus E, E of anti is deleted by 3400. We get the form abhavan, they became. Second similar, bhu plus lung, at plus bhu plus lung, O plus bhu plus ship, O plus bhu plus sap plus C, abho plus O plus C, abha plus O plus C, abhavasi, deletion of E, abhavas, abharu, abhava, we get the form abhava, U similar become. Second dual, bhu plus lung, at plus bhu plus lung, O plus bhu plus thas, O plus bhu plus sap plus thas, abho plus O plus thas, abha plus thas, tam in place of thas by 34101, abhavatam, we get the form abhavatam, you two became. Second plural, bhu plus lung, at plus bhu plus lung, O plus bhu plus tha, abhu plus sap plus tha, abho plus O plus tha, abha plus O plus tha, tha in place of tha by 34101, we get the form abhavat, you became. First singular, bhu plus lung, at plus bhu plus lung, O plus bhu plus mip, O plus bhu plus sap plus me, abho plus O plus me, abha plus O plus me, is the substitute in place of me by 34101. We get the form abhavam, I became. First dual, bhu plus lung plus at plus bhu plus lung, O plus bhu plus vas, O plus bhu plus sap plus vas, abha plus O plus vas, abha plus O plus vas, deletion of so of vas by 3499, we get the form abhava, we two became. First plural, bhu plus lung plus at plus bhu plus lung, O plus bhu plus mas, abhu sap plus mas, abhu plus O plus mas, abha plus O plus mas, abhava mas, deletion of so of mas by 3499, we get the form abhavamo, we became. Ling, Vidhiling, lakara, optative. Ling lakara is of two types. They are called Vidhiling, optative, and Asharaling, benedictive. The word Ashish means blessing, wish. There is a difference between them. Vidhiling takes the Vikarana and included in the Sardhatva lakara, whereas the Asharaling does not take a Vikarana and is an Ardhatva lakara. Another feature of Asharaling is that it has only one function, that is to express wish or benediction. The Sutra 33169 defines the Asharaling. The Sutra 33169 defines the Ling. The vidhiling is used to express the following. 1. Vidhi, command. 2. Nimantrana, summons or invitation. 3. Amantrana, invitation, which may or may not be accepted. 4th, Adhishta, requestful command. 5th, Samprashna, deliberation. And 6th, Prarthana, request. Derivation of the vidhiling forms of bhu. Third person, bhu plus ling, bhu plus tip, bhu plus sap plus tip, bho plus o plus ti, bha plus o plus ti. Deletion of e of t by 34101. Bhava plus o plus tha. Bhava plus o plus yasut plus tha. Augment yasut is added to tip by yasut parasmay padesu dhat pungi cha. 34103. The sutra states that the augment yasut, which is accented and is a gift, is added before a parasmapada suffix of ling. Bhava plus o plus yas plus ta. E is substituted in place of yas. E substitute in place of yas or yasut by Ato Yeyaha 7280. The sutra states that the yas, which is a part of a sardhatuka, is replaced by iya after a short o. So bhava plus o plus iya plus ta. Guna for guna by 6187. Bhaveya guna by 6187. Bhaveya plus ta. Ya is deleted by Lopo Vyorvali 6166. We get the form Bhaveta. 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 From Bhaveta. He, she, it must become, or may he, she become. Third dual, Bhu plus Ling. Bhu plus Tas. The process of derivation up to Bhave will be same as that of Bhaveta, third singular. So Bhave plus Tas. Tam is substitute in place of Tas by 34101. We get the form Bhavetam. May they too become. Third plural, Bhu plus Ling, Bhu plus G, Bhaveya plus G. Jus is the substitute in place of G by Jher Jus 34180. Bhaveya plus Jus, Bhaveya plus Us, Bhaveyus, Bhaveyuru, Bhaveyu. They may become or they must become. Second singular, Bhu plus Ling, Bhu plus Sip, Bhaveya plus C. Deletion of E by 3400. Bhaveya plus Saw. Deletion of Yo by 6166. Bhaves, Bhaveru, Bhaveha. You singular must become. Second dual, Bhu plus Ling, Bhu plus Tas, Bhave plus Tas. Tam is substitute in place of Tas by 34101. Bhaveya plus Tam. Deletion of Yo by 6166. We get about Bhave Tam. You too must become. Second plural, Bhu plus Ling, Bhu plus Tha, Bhave plus Tha. Tha in place of Tha by 34101. Bhave Tha. Deletion of Yo. We get Bhave Tha. You must become. First singular, Bhu plus Ling, Bhu plus Mip, Bhave plus Me. In place of Mip by 34101. Bhave We get the form Bhaveyam. I must become. First dual, Bhu plus Ling, Bhu plus Vas, Bhaveya plus Vas. Deletion of Yo, Bhave Vas. Deletion of Sa, by 3,499, we get the form bhaveva. We too must become. First plural, bhu plus ling, bhu plus must, bhaveya plus must, deletion of yaw by 6166, bhave must, deletion of saw by 3499. We get the form bhave ma. We get the form bhave must become. In this module, we have analyzed the derivation forces of finite verbs in all the Sardhatuk lakaras. The common factor among all the Sardhatuk lakaras is that a vikarana, class marking suffix, is added to the root before thing suffixes. Now, इसी को हम in this module we have analyzed the derivation of all the Sardhatuk lakaras. And one must note that in Sardhatuk lakaras, between the thing suffixes and root, there is always a vikarana. Thank you.